Hi, welcome to CE, the learning channel. I am Professor Taranath. In the last video, we have learned about the load bearing structural elements, non-load bearing structural elements, where the supports need to be designed, what are the three basic types of supports. Today, we will get a little deeper in understanding the basic types of supports and their reactions. Before that, we will learn few basic concepts. Firstly, the load. What is load? Load is any weight that needs to be supported on a specific medium. In case of civil engineering structures, the weight of walls, the weight of partitions and weight of slabs can be considered as the loads on the structural elements beneath them. Next, we have equilibrium of forces. The structural elements will remains to be in its state of rest even after they are loaded. This is possible by generating the reactions at the support. These reactions will nullify the load acting on the beam. So, the beam will stay in the state of equilibrium. This system of forces which keeps the beam in its state of equilibrium is called as equilibrium of forces. Next, we have degrees of freedom. When the body is free to move in any particular direction, then it is said to have 1 degree of freedom in that direction. Likewise, if the body is free to move 2 or more directions, then the body will have 2 or more degrees of freedom. We should mind that the reactions will not get generated in the direction where you have the degree of freedom. Yes, next we will come to the main topic. When the beam is connected to the supporting element through a pin, the support formed is called as simple support. When this beam is loaded, it will rotate about its joint, but it will not move in horizontal or vertical direction. So, it will have 1 degree of freedom, that is called as rotational degree of freedom. In the other two directions, where the beam is not allowed to move, the reactions will get generated. When we place the roller and base plate beneath the simple support, the support formed is called as roller support. It will have 2 degrees of freedom. One is rotational degree of freedom and the degree of freedom along x direction or along the plane where the rollers are kept. Therefore, it will have only one reaction generated. Next, the fixed support. As the name indicates, the beam is fixed to the supporting element. So, as it is fixed, there will not be any degree of freedom at that joint. The beam is not allowed to rotate about the joint. It is not free to move either in x or y direction. Therefore, 3 reactions are generated: reaction along x direction, reaction along y direction and rotational reaction, that is called as moment of resistance. That's all about the supports and reaction. Very simple, isn't it? Thanks for watching.